Need a perfect slide size for printing or uploading? In this video, I'll show you how to change slide dimensions in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's fast, customizable, and super useful for any type of project. Let's get started. First, open the PowerPoint application and load the presentation you want to edit. Next, click the Design tab located at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is where all the style and layout settings live. Then click the Slide Size drop-down located on the far right and select Custom Slide Size. After that, a window will appear where you can type in your preferred width and height. Whether you need it for social media or widescreen display, just set the size you want. Finally, click OK and choose between Maximizing to fill the screen or Ensure Fit to make sure nothing gets cut off. That's it. And that's how you change the slide size in PowerPoint with ease. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more bite-sized tutorials. See you next time!